Welcome to the tutorial on cleaning and maintaining of TCC scissors. Each pair of scissors requires its own maintenance. TCC scissors require attention, care, and frequent maintenance. We recommend weekly maintenance of the instrument, because any blade that is overheated is protected by a shell, inside which cut hair and dirt may be deposited. To achieve optimal cleaning, we recommend using the tools included in the TCC case: a soft microfiber cloth, a small bristled brush, a lubricating oil, and a small steel adjustable wrench. Important: before cleaning the scissors, it is necessary to turn off the TCC device and then remove it from the power outlet. Now, we are ready to carry out complete maintenance of the scissors to achieve perfect blade cleanliness. First, use the soft microfiber cloth, useful for removing any surface contamination and any remaining traces of oil. Now, pick up the small bristled brush and pass it between the blades to remove any hair present. Usually, the hair gets stuck just inside the protective casing. The brush did its job very well. Now it's time to use the soft microfiber cloth again for a second thorough cleaning of the blades and protective shell. Now, take the bottle of lubricating oil. The oil lubricates and protects the blades from oxidation. We recommend careful filling to both sides of the TCC scissors. Put one drop on one side and another on the other side. Put the cap on the oil bottle and turn the scissors upside down with the blades facing down. Open and close the blades several times to distribute the oil. And invert the scissors, continuing to open and close the blades to lubricate them perfectly. Now it's time to perform the proper blade closure test. Position the TCC scissors with the tips pointing upward, open the blades, and let go of the grip to close them. If the blades close completely, the test has failed. It is necessary to repeat the closing operation using the adjustable wrench by gently turning it clockwise. Now, the blades do not close completely and the test was successful. Set down the scissors and plug the device into the power outlet. Maintenance is finished, and the scissors are perfectly cleaned. We are finally ready for a new hot cut. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to contact us with any questions. See you at the next TCC Thermo Care Cut tutorial. Goodbye.